Forever.
Let's see what it is. Oh.
This goes to the 22. That's kind of cool.
Last box?
This is, there's 2 plastic totes of clothes.
Ooh.
Nice. For looking a little farther in the boxes list than some people like to.
Mm-hmm. Please be the Chanel one of a
Hermes.
kind. Oh, baby.
2,000 bucks.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, what I'm gonna do is go through those bags and only put out like the Jordans and stuff.
Alright, this is looking like a boring box. Paperwork. Macy's. Baby's first ornament. That can go in the personal box to me.
It actually opens.
Staple.
What's up, Mike?
Is that a gun?
There's another one
Let's
right
see right now.
there.
You ready?
Let's see if that's a gun.
Let me have it.
One of these ever since the last time we had one. I've been saving 22 bullets forever.
Let's see what it is. Ah,
No, it's in there. It's a little bird gun. There's nothing special. You put the
It's a
You
gun.
sit on top of the roof and you hit your neighbor.
It's a 22.
pew pew pew.
Pew, pew, pew.
It's a chop.
Bro, I've been wanting one of these because this is gonna fend off the ranch one day.
Fend off the ranch one day. There you
Yeah,
go.
yeah. It's never been fired
Yeah,
almost.
yeah, there you go.
Yep, they take. Remember we found those in the unit with Jack, and then Jack kept the one. Whoo, we're not showing this.
Be careful, Mike.
Oh. See the bottom of those? Mike,
What?
does the little woman want some of these?
I don't know.
Where'd she go?
She ran off.
Little woman!
Oh, there you go. I found a whole tray full of money.
Oh, what?
Woo! A whole tray full of money.
Woo! A whole tray full of money.
Can I get that really quick?
You want to dip it?
Monopoly money.
Ah, get out of here.
Ah.
Jimmy Choo. Nice a little bit. Those are nice. Very, very nice. All that stuff in here is a
Guitar. Here, Evie, here's something you can practice with. Eviana. You can play with this.
Does that plug in or no?
No. You can play with this. Cardio.
Make everything more expensive, but you have the receipts for them, huh?
Yeah, but we don't have none of those things.
Cartier wasn't in there.
No. They went to the San Francisco Zoo, Universal Studios. Maybe.
Maybe we just overlooked it. Like, that's really busy.
No.
See, Lola, she's found all the good stuff today. Especially and
There.
she said she's looking.
I'm trying.
Did you look in this one?
I was about to. Something.
Snow White? Snowman?
No.
Jay says she wants
Look at my door.
exclusive
Look.
ornaments.
I found a door. That's
Da Vinci's all right, but it's not gold. Close, close. That's kind of cute. That's you, Alex. It doesn't fit you though. Look, I found a sweater with you on it.
It's Papa Pig.
Slasm. True Religion.
Did you check the mail?
Oh, I haven't got that far.
Very. This one you close it up?
Yeah. Oh.
This goes to the 22. Pew, pew, pew.
Money bags. I ain't trying to grab another drawer. It's over. Clickbaited for real.
Wells Fargo.
Jess, you want one of these? These are really cute. Oh, look at these shoes.
That's kind of cool.
Maybe it's not.
Definitely want to be careful with this. This is good jade right here. Decent jade.
Down there.
This is the last chance for romance, sir.
It's the last box?
This is.
the last
There's
one.
2 plastic totes of clothes.
Ooh.
Nice. What's inside of it? Is that the Rolex?
Ooh. That's nice. We got
Jade.
yes, it's true. Okay.
The rocks are probably buried in some clothes somewhere.
Thank you for looking a little farther in the boxes, Liz, than some people like to.
Mm-hmm.
Some people get too excited and they're like, there's nothing good in here.
Throwing it away.
I'm talking about you.
Well, I know, that's why I'm over here inciting that you're wrong. What is this one?
Right there's a name.
That is a nice Louis V.
Oh, here's a name too.
Is this meat?
No, but that's very nice.
Reminds me of the one I got 500 for in Alameda. I think we'll try these all in Alameda maybe.
Ooh. Ooh. What is this one?
It's a nice shirt.
Please be the Chanel one of a
Hermes.
kind.
Pretty nice.
Please be Hermes.
It is filled with bathing suits. It's Balenciaga.
Say it again.
Balenciaga. Can you hold your dirty drawers?
With the
It
Michael
is
Kors thing again.
Balenciaga, Paris.
Big bucks right there.
Big.
I want
bucks.
1,000 for that.
I was thinking about 800. I just cut myself short already. The most expensive things in this bag still.
I know. Well, I'm just putting this in here.
Get over there.
Thought you stopped recording.
No. I'm adjusting.
Ready? Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
$2,000.
Oh, easily.
That's cute.
I want 2,000.
Oh,
I'll wear it.
look at that. Oh,
I'll just put it over here.
It's all right.
It's cute though.
it's all right. Ooh, and it's filled with.
Thank you for Liz for getting to the bottom of those and finding the good stuff. Make sure you double check the ones Alex went in.
Getting to the bottom.
Here, baby, if you keep sticking up for him, I'll...
It's all right, Liz. I got your back.
There you go, Jess. Thank you. Mickey Mouse stuff.
I know.
Oh, yeah, this is easily.
Does this one item pay for the unit?
This one item does not pay.
No,
for
that's.
it.
Have you sold real Chanel's before?
Yes, they're very expensive.
I want 2,000
It
for
depends
that
on what year it is and everything.
minimum.
It's crazy how they put the stuff on top of their stuff, huh? Chanel bag? That's nice. That's really nice.
China.
Huh?
Why we didn't find the roll at.
It's from China.
AIX, my Armani Exchange.
There it is.
Oh, there it is there.
There it is there. Mike's hot today.
BB?
Nothing we can do about it. Mike's hot. That's MCM.
I dibs this, didn't I?
No,
Remember I did. Remember I dibs this the other
I
day.
don't remember.
I said MCM backpack, and you
Little
finished
backpack. It's the backpack.
That's beautiful.
Wow.
Man, that's gonna look so nice on me. We're about to share dibs this, babe.
I get it 1 week, you get it the next week.
Share dibs.
Sure did.
Oh, let MCM.
I don't either.
Nah.
I just need something to carry my GoPro on. But, sir, is there anything inside of it?
Oh,
Yes, please go inside of it.
thank you, babe, and Jess. Thank you, Jess, for getting to the bottom of them boxes. Thank you, appreciate it.
Jess has been
What are you
finding it.
doing right now, actually?
Remember how I graded these sports cars like this? I sent some more off to another company, and I want to find out what my status is of the card, because the card that's there is very, very expensive. Like, we could buy a car with the amount of money. We can almost buy a home with the amount of money that card is going to be worth. I see that.
PITs are also allowed too. And if you don't know what a PIT is, it's a pirate in training. SAP stands for Storage Auction Pirate.
Storage, it's 2 words.
Storage Pirate.
I got, at the beginning of my videos, I used to say it was a joke. I always say, I got 2 words for you. Storage, auction, pirate.
By the way, I think that all of you should watch Brave, the movie with
What is
Merida
it?
in it. She's in the backyard, and I will show them. That is the doggy. Come here. Come here. No? Oh, okay.
Internet must be lagging.
See, now you want to come. Now you want to come, huh? Your nose looks humongous on the camera, Kobe. And then there's a huge painting that is unnecessary to this vlog.
Why is it unnecessary?
So,
You don't know what's not necessary?
I don't know what, yeah, technically. Hello. I'm riding a scooter. I'm wearing a chest cam, but it doesn't really work for me because I'm small. It seems that I am, well, how do you say this politely for all the people that are like me? Small. I'm small. Use the stick instead because I like it way better, kind of. For a second I thought it was a gold ring. Sugar cookie.
3, 2, 1, apple.
We already started.
Oh. Well, then you told me to say.
No, I said that.
Oh.
You're not very good at paying attention, are you?
I am a little bit.
I'm showing them rings. I hope you don't mind. I'm going to be showing you rings. First, we've got this big ring. Doesn't fit me, obviously, because my finger's too small. Then we have this one. I think it's pretty. We have this one. This one concerns me. I don't know what it does or what it means. And then it's weird. Kind of fits. I'm scared to get my finger stuck in it though. This is an earring. Why is this with the rings? I'm going to be showing some more things. So, I don't know what, but I'm going to be showing some more things. Like I said, I really don't know what though. So let's start. Probably already know this, that's a flashlight. But what is this? What is this? This is merchandise. Sir Jackson Pirate, and then a symbol. It's on hats and shirts. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And then don't forget his old merch. I love lovers. Okay. And Sugar Cookie made this. It's a boat with YouTube on it with Storage Auction Pirates with a big rainbow. It's on a fridge. Let's go into the backyard. What are you doing? Hi! Hi, Clips. We also have a trampoline. And we're gonna open this soon once we get the walls fixed. Our clubhouse, I'm pretty sure we're not gonna do anything with our clubhouse because there's a lot of rats that go in this at nighttime. Oh, and that's our dog's Pickle.
That's a corn.
This is, I'm pretty sure, a lemon tree. Goodbye.